Good evening, children. Hope you all are doing well, and especially in today's scenario, as the cases of COVID is being increased day by day. So stay at home, be safe, use mask. So today we are going to introduce a new topic. So what is that new topic that I'm going to share with all of you after this question? So let me ask one question with all of you, and that is on your screen. What do we need to survive? So what are the three important things that are very essential to survive? So the answer is food, air, and water, right? Without food, we cannot survive. Without air as well as water also. So why do we need food? To get energy. And why do we need air? Without oxygen, we cannot survive. So for the transportation of food and oxygen as well as carbon dioxide in our body, it is very essential to need any medium. And what is that medium that we are going to discuss today? So children, we are going to discuss about the transportation system in the human being, right? Children, you all have been hearing about life processes from your lower grade. I'm sure you must have basic understanding of all the life processes like digestion, respiration, excretion, right? Digestion includes digestion of food, respiration. It includes taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. And what is excretion? Removal of waste product from our body. So all these processes are interlinked, right? And we need a medium for the process of digestion, respiration, as well as excretion, right? So transportation is a very important system of all the living organisms. So what do we call transportation system in the living being? It is called circulatory system. So today we are going to study about the circulatory system, right? So children, circulatory system, right? Circulatory system is the transportation system of all the living organism, right? So circulatory system includes what? Transportation of essential nutrients and minerals throughout the body, right? And removal of waste products away from the body. As we have discussed earlier, children, right? Removal of waste include in excretion and nutrient and minerals in the process of digestion. So here you can see, children, in the process of digestion, glucose is being transported to the each body cell, whereas in the case of respiration, oxygen is being transported to the each body cell, and carbon dioxide is being transported out from the body, right? So children, in this way, we can say that circulatory system is very important system of our body, right? It is responsible for transporting materials throughout the entire body. You can see over here that these are the parts of circulatory system that we are going to discuss in the next slide, right? So it transporting materials throughout the entire body. What it transport? Nutrients, water and oxygen to billions of body cells, and carries away waste such as carbon dioxide that body cells produce, right? So circulatory system is an amazing highway that travels through our entire body, connecting all our body cells, right? So children, in this short video, we are going to discuss about some essential components of the circulatory system, right? So the main component of the circulatory system is blood vessels, heart, okay? So these three are the very essential component of the circulatory system. So blood, what is blood? We all know that is flowing in our blood vessels, artery and veins. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels are the thin tubes, right? These are the thin tubes that carries blood to the entire body, right? Like a what? Water tube. As water is flowing inside the tube, so blood vessels are the tubes, and this blood, we can compare blood with the water. As water is flowing inside the tube, in the same way blood is flowing inside the blood. And heart, we all know, you all have studied in your previous classes, but in detail we are going to discuss in this topic. But this is a short video, so we are going to discuss only blood in our next slide. Children, body fluid has three types. First is blood, second is tissue fluid, and third is lymph. But right now we are going to discuss about only blood. What are the components of the blood? First is liquid part is called plasma. It is a colorless fluid, right? It is having light yellow color. And the solid part includes capsules. First is RBC, that is also called erythrocytes. Second is WBC, also called leukocytes, and platelets, also called thrombocytes. RBC, children, the red color of the blood is just because of the RBC, because it includes hemoglobin, which binds oxygen, right? Helps in the transportation of oxygen. Whereas WBC are the army which fights with the diseases. Okay, it acts like a soldier. And platelets are responsible for the clotting of blood. Thank you.